Welcome to the Power BI Showcase on Crime and Policing for England and Wales, brought to you by Pivotal BI. The solution combines publicly available data from data.police.uk, gov.uk and the Office for National Statistics. This provides analysis of incidents of crime and antisocial behaviour and stop and search, as well as resourcing and conduct of the police workforce across the constabularies or police force areas of England and Wales. Further information on the data used within each report is available on the respective info button. The data available on crime, which records incident type and outcome to street level within the local authority district wards, allows for insight into crime by geography and time. By stating the incident per 1,000 population, the relative level of crime can be easily assessed. Comparison versus previous year to date helps identify trends over time. This can help result in a more targeted approach to policing and reduction in crime. After selecting a police force area, data can be filtered to one or more local authority districts of interest. Tooltips provide summary information on the district population and the resultant incident levels. The three wards with the highest percentage change in incident levels compared to previous year-to-date values are also shown, flagging potential areas for more focused policing efforts. Here we see the values of actual incident levels by local authority district, and here the total incidents by type of crime recorded. The tooltips provide a quick comparison with incidents and percentage change versus the previous year to date. Trends in incidents as compared to the previous year is available here, and the number of incidents by outcome is shown here. Incidents by month for the year selected allow further date filtering, with quick comparative measures in the tooltips. Incident level is here shown by ward, together with immediate analysis versus the same months in the previous year. The occurrence of incidents by latitude and longitude is shown on the street level map, providing further analysis at the local level. Further summary information is provided here on the crime type and outcome for those incidents in the location of interest. The stop and search data is also provided to the same geographical level as the crime data. The report again allows location-based analysis of incidents over time. The tooltips at the local authority district level provide a view of the incidents by month for both stop and search and crime. Shown here is the incident breakdown by stop and search objective, with additional demographic information on age group, ethnicity and gender. Incident trends versus the previous year are again provided, and the number of incidents by stop and search outcome is also shown, along with the demographic breakdown. Month level information again shows summary measures, this time for both stop and search and crime. The ward level data also includes stop and search and crime incidents by month, and the location map again provides valuable street level information and summary data. Workforce data is made available at the police force area or constabulary level and calendar year only. Analysis of change in the number of full-time employees over time provides a high-level view of resourcing for the area in question. The breakdown of full-time employees by role, with gender and ethnicity demographics, and of police force rank, again with demographic breakdown, allows quick analysis of the workforce profile within each police force area. Trend analysis on misconduct incidents and full-time employees is also shown, and the sanction of misconduct incidents, with further breakdown by outcome available on the tooltips, provides additional insight into police actions. Analysis of the relationships between crime incidents and officer resources, each stated per 1,000 population, for each police force area is also shown, with filtering by police force area. The number of crime incidents per officer versus levels of misconduct cases against police officers is also made available. The solution provides readily available analysis of crime and policing across England and Wales that will prove valuable to both the police and the general public. Why not take it for a test drive to see some of the rich functionality provided? For any assistance with your data analytics, whether in Azure or on premises, reach out to us here at Pivotal BI.